Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, I am Rajan. On this channel, I learn English and teach you what I learn. So if you are serious about improving your English, watch this video till the end. Because in this video, I'm gonna teach you 5 most important and extremely useful phrasal verbs that will make you sound natural and advanced. So let's get started. Number 1, figure out. Figure out means to find out the solution or the answer. For example, if your Wi-Fi stopped working, then you need to figure out what happened with your Wi-Fi. It means to find out the solution, the answer. Number 2, give up. Give up means stop trying, to stop trying. For example, when you start learning English, pronunciation feels difficult, then you give up. It means when you try to learn English, pronunciation feels difficult and you stop trying, then you stop learning English. So give up means to stop trying, to quit what you are doing. Number 3, turn down. Turn down means to reject or refuse. For example, she turned down the job offer. She rejected the job offer. I turned down the birthday invitation because I had to study so I turned down the birthday invitation. Number 4 is hang out. Hang out means to go outside with friends. If you are going, for example, if you are going outside with your friend, then it means you are hanging out with your friends. Hang out basically means to go with your friends, to go with someone. Number 5, run out of. If you run out of something, it means something is finished. For example, we have run out of sugar. We don't have sugar now. I've run out of time. This video I teached you 5 most common and natural phrasal verb that makes you sound natural and advanced in English. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep practicing, keep learning, and yeah, see you in the next video.